Majority Leader Sandro Marcos says, walang galawan until matapos yung budget. I respect his wisdom and I support it. Pero hindi naman pwedeng pagbalik namin, walang napalitan. Ang hirap naman ng posisyon ni Speaker Bogie D dyan.
Merong mga haka-haka, baka daw ikaw ang Committee on Appropriations. This is truth on the line. Anong pwedeng gawin ni Bogie? Low-hanging fruits. By way of promoting accountability and transparency, anong pwede niyang gawin na sigurado kang magko-cooperate yung House?
Hindi, this is my unsolicited advice, no? Ang hirap naman ng sitwasyon ni Bogie kung gagawin natin siyang ginawa natin siyang speaker, tapos siya lang mag-isa, wala siyang pwedeng palitan sa leadership position. Ano naman magagawa ng tao para namang linagay natin sa alanganin yung speaker, di ba? So, I don't know. I hope that there is a voluntary initiative from the members of the majority to give him a free hand naman to choose some leadership positions.
Some.
Yes, di ba? Because otherwise, you don't change anything, you bring him in, and we have to accept the fact na karamihan niyan, kaya nakuha yung leadership positions, aside from party allocation yon, is because they're loyal to the former speaker, di ba? So, paano naman gagawin mo kay Speaker Bogie kung ganun ang sitwasyon na ilalagay natin, no? But I heard, yun nga yung interview kanina, Majority Leader Sandro Marcos says, walang galawan until matapos yung budget. I respect his wisdom and I support it because mas alam niya yung kahalagahan ng legislative agenda tsaka yung schedules namin. So kung ang tingin is after the budget, October 8 yata namin matatapos, during the break tsaka mag-usap-usap at pagbalik tsaka palitan, okay namin yun. I support that. Pero hindi naman pwedeng pagbalik namin, walang napalitan. Ang hirap naman ng posisyon ni Speaker Bogie D dyan.
Merong mga haka-haka, baka daw ikaw ang Committee on Appropriations.
No, I will not accept. I will not accept.
Why?
Ayoko nga kasi may reward. Bakit? Parang ano yun? Reward? Reward for what I've done? Ayoko. Hindi ko kailangan ng reward. Basta sa akin, importante, hindi pa tapos to eh. Ang importante is malaman natin yung buong katotohanan, at hindi na ito maulit, and those accountable will be held accountable. Yun na yung para sa akin. Yun lang importante sa akin.